Want to find out the winner of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max from last week's Review to You video? Hi, my name is Kai, and this is my dad Gary and his buddy Matt. They're just a bunch of gadget nerds who were lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. 3 times a week, they review all these cool products and give them away for free to their subscribers that get involved. There's Men's Monday, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for kids like me. Every product they review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments the special hashtag we show in the video. But for now, let's announce a winner. Last week for Men's Monday, we reviewed an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and gave it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. So which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is no one but someone in Christ. Congratulations, no one but someone in Christ. We're gonna get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. If you want to be, dang it, come on, if you want a chance, okay. If you want the chance to be a winner like no one but someone in Christ, you can start by subscribing to Review to You and turning on post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review giveaways. We do them 3 times every week. Make sure to click the link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and hit the link up on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Kai, Gary, and Matt, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!